Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use Canva to create animated videos for free. So let's get started. So here we are in canva.com. This is the official website of Canva, and as you can see here, if you don't know about Canva, then Canva is a vast library of templates right here. You can use it for videos or photos, infographics, just like this. In fact, let's go to the templates. Right here, canva.com/templates, we could see the templates for docs, whiteboard, classroom announcements, logos, banners, Facebook posts, infographics, and so much more. And if we're gonna search for videos right here, we can also find a ton of templates for videos right here that is mainly for intros, for outros, just like that, or from other designs. If you want, right here, like a slideshow for your photos, then you could use Canva to do it. There are a ton of this here, and all of them are high quality. You can edit it however you want because it is fully customizable. So here in this tutorial, in our case, we will be creating an animated video. So a way to do that is simply going here into searching for templates for animated videos right here. So we're gonna type in animated videos right there, and as you can see, there are already a lot of templates that is being shown to us, but I think this one is great right here. There, as you can see, this is already an animated video that you could use with Canva. But if you want something that you want to create yourself, then you could go here. Let's go to Canva again, and we want to create our own design right here. Create a design right here, and we want to have our own size if you want. But if you want to use a template, then you could also go right here, or a preset for your size, and you could also go right here. But in this case, let's just go into a template right here so we could have it much easier and I could explain it a lot better. So as you can see here, this is already a great animated videos right here. So you can see everything is moving right here, right there, and you have some transitions right here that is going on. Let's see if we play this right here, right there. As you can see, there is an animation that is happening, but I'm gonna show you how you can do that right now. So first, let's go into searching for another template right here that we could use, something that is not entirely animated. Maybe let's just create a new design right here. So let's go for a size. Let's go custom size for now. Right, that's the pixels. So what we want is a 1080p, so it's 1080 by 1920 right there. And we want to create a design like that. This is a portrait, but if you want to landscape it, then we just gotta reverse it right there. And now it is a landscape type of size. So now let's import some design right here. Let's go for text right there, and this is my design, and just like that. And what we want to do, if you want to add some backgrounds right there, Canva has a lot of assets that we could use right here. Like for example, here the elements we could search backgrounds right here, and it will provide us backgrounds such as this one or this one, whatever you'd like. Maybe if you want to be more aesthetic, then you could go for that one. But let's go here in photos. We already have a lot of backgrounds right here, but let's say we want this because this looks awesome right here, right there, right there. We just want to expand this. As you can see, it's real high definition. Even if I expand it, it doesn't blur out as much, but it's a real small one, so let's expand it to some more right there. This is my design, and we could also change the font of this. Let's go for KG, something that fits the, let's go for white because block looks pretty much ugly right here, and go for this one. Maybe I like this font right there. We're just gonna scale it. You just gotta drag it right there, and as you can see, there are guides that is guiding you if it's the center, or if it's aligned. So that also what makes Canva great. And you could also have the effects right here if you want to add it into your animation video. Right here you could have a neon glitch. You could even customize the effect right here. You can change the color right here. Let's say we want it to be red, then you could have it like that, but I just want it to be white, or maybe a purple like that, but it's too girlish, so I'm gonna go with white right there. So if you want some animated cartoonish kind of thing that you want to be here in your presentation, just like here in Animaker, you want to go here in Animaker. If you want to create something like this that is animated right here, you want to put it in Canva right here, then you could have it done here in Animaker. Then you just have to log in or sign up, and you can create your first video right here if you want this kind of asset, but I don't want that for now. I'm just gonna use here in the elements. I'm just gonna focus on Canva, and I'm just gonna type a clip art of a person so that it's the same. Clip art of a person right here. This is pretty much the same, but it's not animated, it's not moving. However, we have the option to animate it here by this canvas feature, that we could have it rise like this, we could have it pop, baseline, tectonic. This is basically a transition and how you want it to enter the page, right? Just like that. We could have it in stump, tectonic, drift, right? That we have all these cool options right here. We can even have it in different directions. We want to go to down, to up, to the right, or to the left, right there. We all have that option depending on what effect you use. You can have pop, you can have it both appear in the exit or in the enter of this page right here. And let's just right there, let's just click that, so it would show all the pages right here. And we want to add a page, but let's just duplicate this so we would have the background, and all we have to do is just remove this one, and let's just say this is step 1, and we want to turn it white again right there. So I'm just basically I'm just gonna show you all the features right here so that you could do it, you would know how to use it yourself. So here I have introduced you to how you can animate this asset right here, which is a photo. But in this text, they have a much variety of effects that you can do in animation. Right here, you can have it pop, you can have it in typewriter style like that, you can have it in burst. There are a lot of options right here that you could use. Let's say you want it in rise, just like that. And you could also have that, but if you want an easier one-click transition, then you could go here into the Bitwin. You just need to hover your mouse here, and you have the option to add a transition right here, and you could have a circle wipe just like that, and it would animate to the second video just like that in a transition way, just like that, just like that. Or you might not even need to have transitions for all of this, or animations for this image right here, this image right here. You don't have to do that if you're gonna go for transition, but you can also do that if you want. So let's just say we want it stack, line wipe, chop, right, that you can do that. And if you want a clear an easier animation, then you could go select on the page right here, and you could animate it just like that right here. Let's go back, and as you can see, this is the image that we are using currently. So that is how you add a transition right here. You could use line wipe, or you could, let's add another one. Let's duplicate this one, duplicate right here, and we want it to appear for, this is basically how much you want to appear for each page. Let's say I want this page to appear for 5 seconds, and you could apply this timing for all pages if you turn this on right here. So that's that. And as you can see here, we can animate again. Right, let's just add another one. Let's just put this into 2 so that it won't be identical. Right there, there. So let's say we want to animate this whole page, then we could just go here and animate right here, and just like that. Let's add more elements so that you can see clearly. That's that there and here. This is just for example. I didn't even thought this through under animation, just to give you a clear example, just like that. And in here we want to add another different asset so that you could see right there. And this is, and you just need to click on the page that you want to animate, and you could click on animate. You don't need to, you don't want to click on the individual elements. You don't want to do that. Just here on the page, and you want to click on animate, and you would have an option right here, a lot of animations right here that would animate the page, everything in that page, all the elements in that page as one. Just like this one, I say I want a party, and all the elements of that will be animated instantly, just like that. And you could even throw in some transitions after this. Let's say we want it on baseline right here, and for the next page we want it to be like stamp right there, and that's that. We can also set it into both so that it would appear in the ending and when it enters right there. And now we want to add a transition right there. It's chop right there. And now what we're gonna do is we can play it. Let's just set this for 1 so that it would be easily over right there. 1 again here, and in here another just 2 or 3 so that we could see it right here and there. So if you want to see what you have made, you can click here on the play button right here so that you can preview what you have made right there. Bam. And as you can see, the transition is next right there. You could have the animation plus the transition, which is really engaging for the viewers. So if you would really want that, then you could do it here in Canva. You don't need any editing skills to do it. You can have it all right here. You can have every elements right here. You can even have a frame right here, like say a phone frame. You want to add a mock-up, then you can have it right here. A phone, let's say you want to add an image inside that phone. Let's search for an image right here, quick image right here. If you want to add this image to that phone, you could just drag it, and as you can see, it is here in this phone. Just a simple click and drag, and you already have this asset, this customizable asset, which is really awesome, that you can create here in Canva. And you could also animate this again so that you could create an awesome animation video. And that is it for that. And you could also upload an audio right here, or you could also go here and choose elements, and you could go search audio, and you have these different kinds of audio right here. You could have the free audios that Canva provides for you right here, and as you can see, everything is here. You have different genres that you can use right here. So Canva has everything you need right here to create your animated video, which is just for free. And just a quick tip, this account of Canva of mine is in the premium version just because I have my email account from my university. So if you're a student and you have your university email, you can use it to log into Canva, and you would have an educational type of account so that it would have all the premium features for free for a year. And that's basically how you can create a free animated video here in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.